As I go over each problem from this review, I'm going to begin with step 3 of the bar model process. That means that I want you to assume that I've already read the problem out loud and I've already asked myself what is it that I'm trying to solve and filled in the sentence at the bottom. In the first problem, I want to find the length of a rectangular piece of paper. I said that you did not have to draw a bar model, but I did want you to draw an illustration. So I know that the area of a rectangle is 4/9 meters long. The width is 4 meters. I know that area equals length times width. And I know the width. I know this factor. I don't know the length. If you're ever missing a factor, imagine that we have, for example, 10 equals blank times 5. To find this missing factor, you divide, right? 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So our missing factor would be 2. So it's no different here. We're missing a factor, so I'm going to divide to find it. 4/9, which is my total, divided by 4, which gets rewritten as 4/9 times 1/4. I cross cancel and multiply. It is 1/9 meter long. This would be 1/9 meter. In our second problem, we want to know how many strawberries each friend received. I'm going to take it line by line to begin drawing, but first I have to ask myself, what type of bar model is this? I can see that it is a part whole, so I begin by drawing my full bar. I'm told that Sam divided 5/8 pounds of strawberries among 5 friends. This fraction here tells me the number of parts to break it up into, because the whole bar represents the total number of strawberries that Sam has. And he has 5/8 pounds of strawberries. I know that he is going to split them with 5 friends, so I'm going to break the bar up into 5 parts. And I want to know how many pounds did each friend receive. So you could solve this 2 different ways. Both ways are correct. You could look at it and say, okay, I have 5/8 pounds and I want to divide that by 5, which would then turn into 5/8 times 1/5 as you solve. You would cross cancel and get 1/8, which would be the fraction of strawberries that each friend received. You could also look at this section of the bar and say, okay, I want to find 1/5 of, which means times, 5/8. Now, if you look at this problem that I just wrote down and what we ended up turning it into with division, you can see that it's the same thing. So you're going to get the same answer regardless of which method you chose to solve, by looking at it as a division problem or looking at it as multiplication. As I solve this, I do the same thing. I cross cancel, I multiply, and I get the same answer. Either way would be fine. Each friend received 1/8, that should say 1/8 pound of strawberries.